Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. Today we'll be learning about notice writing. What is notice writing? Well, notice writing is a notice that is shared among the concerned people or authorities. It is a formal announcement often communicated in a formal tone to a large group of people such as in organizations, companies, societies, schools, colleges, etc. Additionally, a notice can be written on paper or printed. As a notice is intended for a large group of people, it is always written in a precise manner without any extra details. The notice is further put up in a public place where anyone can easily read it. Now, let us look at the format of a notice writing. First, name of the organization, society, school, etc. Second, title. Third, date. Fourth, heading or subject. Fifth, body. Sixth, signature and designation. Let's look at the format in detail. Name of the organization. It is important to state the name of the organization the notice is referring to. Without it, the people will not know who had posted the notice. Title. The title of the notice is a notice written in bold letters to let people know that they are about to read a notice. Date. The date of the day the notice is issued is written on the top right corner of the notice. Heading or subject. Here the subject of the notice will be written on what the notice is actually about or is addressed to whom in particular, such as the students, teachers, homeowners, patients, etc. Body. Here the main content, main issues and the concerns are written. In notice writing, it is important to keep the main body of the notice short but precise, with the necessary information stating the issue, not more than 2 or 3 paragraphs. It is also important to remember that notice should be written in passive voice. Signature and designation. Lastly, there should be a signature of the person who is issuing the notice and their designation. Headmistress, secretary, etc. To make it easier for people to know who exactly posted the notice. Now that we have understood the format, let us take a look at the sample notices to understand notice writing further. Sample Notice 1. Notice for a parent-teacher meeting. Address: Trinity National School, Mumbai. Date: 12 December 2023. Title: Notice. Heading or subject: Parents-Teachers Annual Meeting. Body. The Parents-Teachers Annual Meet will be held on the 18th of December 2023. It is compulsory for the parents and the students to attend this meeting. The meeting will be held from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. All parents are requested to reach the school venue by 10:45 a.m. Name designation: Geeta Mahanta, Principal. Address: Trinity National School, Mumbai. Sample 2. Notice for blacklisted students. Address: Trinity National School, Mumbai. Date: 10 January 2023. Title: Notice. Heading or subject: Mandatory meeting for blacklisted students. Body. This is to inform students that are blacklisted for standard 9th and 10th to attend the mandatory meeting on 14 January 2023. This meeting will be held in the auditorium from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Additionally, it is also compulsory for the parents to attend the meeting. The students who fail to attend the meeting will not be allowed to sit for the final exams. Name designation: Sweta Singh, class teacher, 9th and 10th. Address: Trinity National School, Mumbai. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.